Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Take a ride in the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags, front passenger seat cushion. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.